Is ShrtFly really the best link shortener to earn easy money, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I have tested hundreds of different ways to make money online, and a lot of viewers keep asking me about different link shorteners including ShrtFly. So therefore I decided to record this ShrtFly review so you can learn all about the untold details many people do not tell you and learn what the true earning potential is, so you can find out if this is truly worth your time. So let's start by going over the basics of what ShrtFly is, and it's a platform you can use from any country, and it is known as a link shortener, so you can earn money by shortening links, and then when people click them you will earn. And it's very easy to do actually. It also has another way to earn. We'll just quickly go over that before I'll go more into how to actually earn by shortening links. And you see pop under ads, that's another option they have. Most link shorteners only have this link shorteners, but they have this extra option, but this is only relevant if you have a website. But if you do, I honestly would not recommend something like this, pop under ads. This is when you've probably been to websites and suddenly you have all kind of ads that opened up in the background that you were not even aware of. It really makes people not trust your website, in my opinion. So if you want to make money on a website, if you have that, I would recommend another option. I also leave a link below to my top recommended way to earn with that. But this is just like a little extra thing because they do offer that, so I just wanted to quickly mention that. But let's now focus on this shortening the links and if it really is one of the best options to earn this way. So the idea by shortening links and earning on ShrtFly is that you have any kind of destination link. It could, for example, be Google, like I can take here, but it can be a video or an article. It doesn't have to be your own. It can be any link online. And then you just paste it. You need to create an account, of course, to get paid. But the idea is that you then just shorten it, and then you will get this link, like any link of course there, and I can copy it, and then when I share it somewhere, whenever people click that, I will potentially get paid. We'll talk about how much you can earn a little bit later. And this can work in theory, and let me just reveal right away, you can earn, and some people might even earn good money like that. But there are two things that many people do not tell you when they say this is a very easy way to earn. So the first thing you need to be aware of is what happens when people click that link, and I will show you that now. So I have just opened up this link that I shortened, and then you can see there's all kind of different other information. They did not get to the destination link, so I need to first click this human verification, and some kind of spammy pop-up ad opens up. I check this again, and then I need to again click something here, click to continue. A new spammy pop-up pops up there. I need to click to continue, and by now you see I'm not even at the destination page yet. Now it loads and there's a lot of ads everywhere. So what you need to think about is that you will get paid when people get to the destination. And how many people do you think will not already now have given up? Like if I clicked a link and I thought I was going to some kind of video article and this is what happened, I would already have given up and I would never trust that person again. And see, they clearly build it so like hopefully people accidentally click the ads, but there is click to continue. A spammy pop-up comes up, I need to click again to continue. And then a countdown. It's a really long process, and this is what many people don't tell you. This is, oh, just share your link and you will earn by this. Yeah, but what about the user experience? Making money, see another spammy pop-up. Making money online is all about providing value and actually helping people, and then you can earn at the same time, not pissing people off by being annoying and sending them through an experience like this. They will never trust you again. It's bad for the trust, it's bad for your earnings, it's bad for the people. It just doesn't make sense. You see, I still didn't manage to actually get to the destination page. Finally, I did it. I came to the destination page after I don't know how many clicks, but how many people do you think will go through all those clicks? That's the first thing you need to consider. So the second thing you need to consider is not only that the user experience, the second thing is how will you get those clicks? Because people say, oh, just share it in comments, Facebook, YouTube, whatever. No, you will get banned and blocked super quickly. And it's just not a sustainable way to walk around or go around online and spread your link like that. You might get a few clicks here and there, but it's not a sustainable way to build a real income. And at the same time, It's a terrible experience for people. And that's one aspect of it most people don't tell you. If you want to build a sustainable income online, you need to first of all find a way to provide quality traffic and give people quality content. I have more information about how you potentially can do that. I'll leave a link below to more info I have about that. But what we also need to talk about is how much can you actually earn with ShrtFly, because that can also help you decide whether this is worth it or not. So you can go to the payout rates and you can see that there's these short links. And here you can see that these are $9 CPM for Greenland. But you will probably not get a lot of traffic from Greenland. This is not where you live, by the way. This is the traffic that you get, the people that click your link. If, for example, they are from the US, you will get $8 CPM. That means per 1,000 person that actually visits there. For 1,000 you will get $8. It's very difficult because you can't just buy cheap bad traffic because they won't allow that. So it needs to be real traffic, and only $8 per 1,000 clicks. And you see, for some countries it goes even lower, and international worldwide, for example, $3 for some countries here, all the way down to $1.50 for 1,000 clicks there. If you can generate that kind of quality traffic, for example, for the US, there's so many better ways to monetize it, where you can actually help people and not just annoy them at the same time. But let's also talk about the payout options, because I just want to give all the details so you can decide for yourself if you should use this method or not. So the payout options here is, for example, for PayPal, $5, Paytm, $5, all these different options. So I do like they have many different payout options. The payout threshold fairly low, can take a lot of time and patience to read still. But see, wire transfer, bank transfer, Payoneer, $500. That I don't know. That will take a lot of traffic to reach with a method like this. So to sum it all up, ShrtFly can be a way to make money online, but it's not easy money. And in my opinion, any link shortener like this is not a good way to earn, because first of all, it requires you to have a huge audience to ever get enough traffic to earn. And if you do, there's just so many better ways to use that traffic, because I must say, like, ShrtFly actually let me get to the destination page. Many other link shorteners I have tested, I never managed to get to the destination page. So it's actually more user-friendly than most link shorteners I have tested, scarily enough. But it still gives a terrible experience for people. And building a long-term sustainable business or income online, that's what you should go for, in my opinion, if you want to make real money. And this is not it. Because once people have clicked your link once, they will not trust you again, and people get really annoyed. As mentioned, ShrtFly, in my opinion, gives one of the best user experience. It's still terrible, but they're less pop-up ads and it's less annoying than many others, which just says something about this whole link shortener way of making money in general. So overall, I would say if you want to make money online, you should instead, for example, use free methods to just earn some extra side cash. If that's what you're going for. That's way faster if you're just starting out than trying to spam your link everywhere. For example, get paid to site, paid service sites. I have a list on my website of the best options in many different countries. I'll leave that link below so you can go and choose your country and find the best options there. Or alternatively, if what you're going for is to create a full-time online income, then you should do something else. You should take the time to learn to create quality content and provide helpful content, monetize it the correct way that gives people a good experience and gives you better earnings. I have more information about how you potentially can do that also on my website. I will also leave a link below to that, so then you can choose whatever you prefer. And no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.